Here we have a Donaldson diesel particulate filter. We got the pulse cleaner and the thermal regenerator. Right now we're going to start with the thermal regenerator. It's hooked up to an air compressor, and it's also hooked up to 230 volt single phase. When you open this up, you'll see the heating element down here. It looks like a stove. Also over here is like a sensor, so it senses that there's a filter actually there, otherwise it won't turn on. So, and then there's also a door switch. So anyhow, we'll put this wraps around the filter. We'll put this in here so it could trigger the sensor. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and start heating it up. You're gonna see the temperature start rising. So right now it's at 56 degrees Fahrenheit. And then this thing will get over like 700 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna go ahead and let it heat up, warm up, and we're gonna move on to the pulse cleaner. The pulse cleaner is hooked up to 115 volts, and it's also hooked up to an air compressor. Right now we're using this drum here as a simulator, and I have the door switch jumped, so you can kind of see what's going on without me closing the door. It does have an adjustment right here, so once you put your filter in, you can adjust it up or down. And then so you want to adjust it up and put some pressure. So once it hits the filter, you want to go like about another turn, and then so once it's sealed in there, and then you can turn it on. That's the test cycle, and then it's also got a pulse cycle. On the pulse cycle, it takes about 1.5 minutes before you hear a pulse, and the pulse is basically just one single pulse, and then after 1.5 minutes, it'll take 45 seconds for the next one. So we just let that run, and then about 1.5 minutes, you'll hear a big thump, and that's when it's filtering out into the filter. There's a filter down here. As you see over here on the regenerator, it's already at 329 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's already heating up. And like I said, we'll just wait until the 1.5 minutes, and then you'll see the pulse action. And that is it. That's the first pulse. Every 45 seconds it'll do that, and that's what it's doing. It's bringing down all the dirt from the particulate filter down into the filter cage. So that's how that works. And just so I can show you the filter compartment, that's down here. That's the big filter right there. And then just bring me over here. We're already at 590. We're at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's still going up. So you see that, it's getting hot in there. And that's your basic functions for the Donaldson diesel particulate set here.